I want to start by appreciating Your Excellency and the good people of Rivers State for the support and cooperation extended to the formations and units of the Nigerian Army domiciled in Rivers State. The GOC has briefed me on the numerous support and interventions the governor has extended to our formations and units to ensure that they conduct their operations seamlessly in Rivers State and thus facilitating peace and stability in the entire state. So I want to thank you, Your Excellency. And I also want to thank Your Excellency and the good people of Rivers State for being wonderful hosts to our formation and unit. What we have experienced in Rivers State has been an atmosphere of cordiality and peace between the army and the people. The people have continued to extend friendship to the army by providing information, and beyond that, being a wonderful host to our formation and unit. So I want to thank Your Excellency for that.